Imagine driving across America, New York to Los Angeles. No hotels, no airports, no rules, just pure luxury on wheels. Now imagine your motorhome has a marble bathroom, a private master bedroom, a garage for your Ferrari, and costs more than a Beverly Hills mansion. These are not RVs, these are moving billion-dollar lifestyles. Today on Autoverse, we're revealing the top 5 most luxurious next-level motorhomes. So extreme, so insane, that most people will never afford them. Watch till the end, because number 1 is so unreal. It looks like it came from the future. America loves freedom, and nothing screams freedom like the open road. But for the ultra-rich, freedom doesn't mean sacrificing comfort. It means turning highways into 5-star resorts, and parking luxury wherever they want. These motorhomes aren't built for camping. They're built for dominance, status, and unstoppable wealth. Let's begin. Ferrari-inspired luxury motorhome concept. Starting at number 5, a motorhome inspired by Ferrari design philosophy. Now Ferrari doesn't officially mass-produce RVs, but elite European designers have created Ferrari-inspired motorhome concepts. Built for American millionaires, this beast looks like a supercar stretched into a rolling palace. Low aggressive stance, carbon fiber accents, aerodynamic curves, and signature red luxury interiors. Inside, you're greeted by Italian leather everywhere, custom racing-style seats, a digital cockpit, and ambient lighting that changes mood instantly. The living space feels like a penthouse, not a vehicle. There's a designer kitchen, wine fridge, smart glass windows, and a bedroom inspired by Ferrari's racing heritage. This motorhome isn't about practicality. It's about making a statement. Estimated price, between $2 to $3 million. This is for people who don't ask for prices. They ask for availability. Ford F-650 Supreme Luxury Motorhome. At number 4, we have an American icon turned into a luxury monster. The Ford F-650 Luxury Motorhome. Built on a heavy-duty commercial truck chassis. This thing is unstoppable. From the outside, it looks like a beast ready to conquer mountains. From the inside, it feels like a luxury condo. We're talking about full hardwood flooring, custom leather couches, fireplace, and massive flat-screen TVs. The kitchen includes granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and enough space to cook like a celebrity chef. The master bedroom has a king-size bed, walk-in closet, and a bathroom that rivals luxury hotels. And yes, there's even a second bathroom. This motorhome is built for American highways, long road trips, and people who want power and comfort together. Price, around $1.5 to $2 million. Ford Muscle, Luxury Soul, Bugatti-inspired hyper-luxury motorhome. Number 3, is where things start getting ridiculous. Inspired by Bugatti hypercars, this motorhome is designed for billionaires. The exterior screams speed, sharp curves, gloss black and royal blue paint, LED lighting everywhere. Inside, it feels like stepping into a private jet. Carbon fiber walls, diamond-stitched leather, gold accents, and futuristic control panels. The bedroom looks like a luxury spaceship cabin. The bathroom has rainfall showers, marble sinks, and smart mirrors. And here's the insane part. This motorhome includes a built-in garage, designed specifically to carry a Bugatti Chiron. Yes, your motorhome carries your hypercar. Estimated price, $5 to $7 million. This isn't transportation, it's a lifestyle statement. ELEMME 50K, the rolling mansion. At number 2, the Element Palazzo or Elem 50K style motorhome. This thing looks like a luxury yacht on land. The front design resembles a jet cockpit, with panoramic glass windows. Inside, everything is custom built, marble floors, Italian furniture, crystal lighting, and premium wood panels. The living room expands using slide-outs, creating insane interior space. The bedroom has a rotating king-size bed, mood lighting, and a private lounge. The bathroom has heated floors and a spa-style shower. But the craziest feature, a pop-up rooftop terrace. Yes, your motorhome transforms into a penthouse with an open-sky lounge. Price, between $3 to $4 million. This isn't camping. This is royalty on wheels. Marquee Mobile Element Palazzo Superior. And now, the most insane motorhome ever built. Number 1, the Marquee Mobile Element Palazzo Superior. This is widely considered the most luxurious motorhome in the world. The exterior looks like a futuristic spacecraft. Inside, it's pure madness. Gold accents, marble everything, luxury leather, and custom artwork. There's a full master bedroom, a VIP lounge, private office, and a dining area fit for billionaires. The bathroom feels like a luxury spa, and the rooftop transforms into an open-air sky deck, perfect for parties, sunsets, and showing off. This motorhome even has underfloor heating, smart home automation, and bulletproof upgrades available. Price: over $3 million. Fully customized versions can exceed $5 million. This isn't a motorhome, this is a moving empire. These motorhomes aren't meant for everyone. They're built for people who don't follow roads. They own them. They don't book hotels. They bring luxury with them. And while most of us may never afford these machines, they remind us of one thing: the American dream has no limits, only levels. This is Autoverse. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, comment, and share, because the road to luxury never ends.